Hey guys, so this is a continuation of summer jobs. What I wanted to do here was I wanted to make sure that you understood how to make the equations. And then we also have to do something else with the equations that we're going to do on the next slide. But just to recall, I want you guys to read these. And again, I want you to come up with the equations, okay? So the question's going to come up on the side. You have to come up with the equations. Go ahead and do that right now. All right, so for the gardener, again, you're taking 410 and you're multiplying it by the number of weeks. And in this case, we use X for weeks. So Y would be the money. So the money equals 410 times X, which is the weeks. Now, for the landscaping job, we wind up getting the big lump sum. So we don't even care about the weeks. You know, you do know that it's a certain amount of weeks, but you'll get that at one time. And that one time, you're just going to go ahead and say, the price you make is $5,000. Now, for the nursery worker, to recall, we said that you're getting $400 per week, and again, we're going to call X the weeks. So it's going to be 400 times X, but then we go ahead and add the 250 because that right there is going to be added once 12 weeks is up. All right, so this is the addition to what we did before. Okay, so here's the question. Use the equations to find when the gardening job and the nursery worker job are exactly the same. Okay, so just to give you a reminder from the last slide, the gardening job was Y equals 410 times X. The nursery worker job was Y equals 400X plus 250. Now, the thing is, we want to know when they're going to be the same. All right? What specifically? Well, we want to know when Y and the other Y are going to be the same amount of money. The way you do this is you have to figure out how many weeks. Now, it's really easy to do that because you see how this Y equals 410X. This Y over here equals 400X plus 250. It's really easy to do this. All you need to do is set those equal to each other. And then by setting them equal to each other, you now can find out the exact number of weeks because you can solve this for X. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and solve it for X on your own. Go ahead and do that. All right, to solve this for X, we first have to subtract 400X from both sides. Remember to always move the smaller X. In this case, 400 is smaller than 410. That's going to get you 10X equals 250. Then we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 10. Then you divide by 10, so these cancel, the 10s cancel, and you get X equals 25. Okay? Now 25, what exactly? Now if you recall before, X represented weeks, so this is 25 weeks. Okay? Now how much money you're going to make? Well, it doesn't matter which equation you're going to put it into because it winds up being the same anyway. If you put that 250 into this, the 25 into this equation, 410 times 25 is going to get you 10,250. Now again, what is 10,250? That's the Y. So you're going to put Y equals $10,250. That's how much they would both make if you did it in 25 weeks. All right, thank you guys.